A very warm welcome to our channel, Epsilon Classes. So, this is the series which helps the student to gain lot of things regarding the mathematics. And welcome to the lectures. Thank you. And first, a warm welcome to our new lecture. Okay. So, thank you everyone for watching my previous session. And on the series of that, we are going to discuss a new topic. So, today we will discuss about the three main things. Okay, lecture number 3, lecture number 3, that is the topic of our topic. Today's topic is first is on checking collinearity of 3 points. 3 points, this is topic A. Topic B is on finding a point, on finding a point on a line. And third one is basically the angle between the angle between two lines. So this is all about. Today I am going to discuss all about these three topics. So let's start with the topic first. So our first topic is first is on checking collinearity of 3 points. So how we check the collinearity of 3 points? Basically in this there are three position vectors are given. Okay, from that we are, let us consider let us consider A, B, and C. Three position vectors are given. Three position vectors are given. Then first, we will find out we will find out a equation of line passing through 2 points, passing through 2 points, and equating with equating or with satisfying the value of lambda, satisfying the third vector, the third vector with this line. Second step, find the value of lambda, value of lambda. Step third, If the value of lambda is equal, the value of lambda is equal, then we can say that the three given points are collinear. So so just discuss the whole step 1, step 2, and step 3 by a question. Okay, so we are taking the question number 1 regarding this. So on the behalf of that, just let's discuss this question number 1. What is this? So that the question is that show that show that show that the points whose position vector position vector are 5i plus 5k, comma 2i plus j plus 3k, and minus 4i plus 3j minus k are collinear. Collinear. So how we are going to discuss that? Basically, we are going to do this by step. So what is our step first? Making the line equation of line equation of line passing through passing through 2 points or position vector through 2 points 2 points or position vector that is given by r equals to a plus lambda b minus a, where ab is position vector. Okay, then what we will do, then we are going to take the point and putting the value of abc. So where we are going to describe a as 5 by 5k, b vector as 2y j plus 3k, and c vector is minus 4i plus 3j minus k. Okay, so this. So we are going to put these abc in the equation number 1. Then so r equals to 5 by plus 5k plus lambda b minus a 2 minus 5 I plus j minus 0. Okay, then plus 3 minus 5k. Okay, this will be the value inside the lambda. So 5I plus 5k minus 3 lambda I plus plus j lambda, then minus 2 lambda k. Okay, just minus 3 lambda I j lambda into, by adding I 5 minus 3 lambda and j is j lambda, and k. For k, this will be the 5 minus 2 lambda. 5 minus 2 lambda. Equating these equation and putting the value of r as c. So what will be the minus 4I plus 3j minus k equals to I 5 minus 3 lambda plus j lambda plus k 5 minus 2 lambda. On equating both side, on equating both side, this is step number 2. Equating both side, we are going to find the lambda. Minus 4 equals to 5 minus 3I minus 4I equals to 5 minus 3I. Then I cancel out with the I. Minus 4, 5 minus 3 lambda. So minus 4 and minus 5 equals to minus 3 lambda, minus 9 equals to minus 3 lambda. This will cancel out, so lambda equals to 3. On equating the term of j, so this will give the 3j equals to lambda j. Cancelling out the j to with the j, then lambda equals to 3. On cancelling out the, on equating the third k, so minus k equals to 5 minus 2 lambda k. Then cancelling out k, so minus 1 equals to 5 minus 2 lambda. This will minus 1 minus 5 lambda equals to minus 2 lambda. This will give the minus 6 equals to minus 2 lambda. Then 6 equals to lambda. Sorry, 6 by 2. So this will give lambda equals to 3. Then step third. In step third, if the value of lambda is same in all three, if the value of lambda is same, then the given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. Now we will discuss about the our second topic, like B, on finding a point on a line. Okay, so the second is B topic, on finding a point on a line. So let's discuss that how we find a point on a line. Okay, so in this, first we are going to discuss the things that how we convert the Cartesian equation in the vector form. Okay, so after that we are going to find the values of x, y, z. So for that we are going to just use the Cartesian equation. Okay, so let's start with the question on finding a point on a line. So how we find the point on a line? Basically what we'll do, there are equation given, like a distance is given. For example, this is a line and a point is there, P. The distance between the point is given, like K. So what will be the point on this Q? So the equation is given in Cartesian system. Cartesian system. We'll find out the point in the terms of x and y and z. Then after that we are going to use the distance formula between the point P and Q, and the distance is given. From that we are going to find the value of lambda, and after putting the value of lambda we are going to find the point. So how we will do that? So we are going to discuss that thing with the help of an example. Okay, so just let's take an example, and example number 2 is this. Example number 2, like find the point find the point find the point on the line x plus 2 upon 3 equals to y plus 1 upon 2 equals to z minus 3 upon 2 at a distance of 3 root 2 from the point from the point from the point 1, 2 and 3. So first we note down the information given by the point. So on the behalf of that, the line is x plus 2 upon 3 equals to y plus 1 upon 2 z minus 3 upon 2. The P point is this. We are going to find the coordinates of Q. How we draw the diagram? This is the line. This is the point P, from where we draw a line of distance 3 root 2. Then we are going to find the point Q, okay, on the line. So how we do that? Just let just start with the equation of line. Just the equation put lambda in the equation of line. Y plus 1 plus 2 and z minus 3 equals to lambda. And from this we are going to extract the values of x and y and z. So how we do that? X plus 2 upon 3 equals to lambda. This will give out x equals to 3 lambda plus 2. From second, y plus 1 upon 2 equals to lambda. Then this will give us out at 2 lambda minus 1. Sorry, this is minus 2, this is minus 1. Okay, and from the third, z minus 3 upon 2 equals to lambda. This will give out 2 lambda plus 3. So what will be the point? The point is this, like 3 lambda minus 2, comma 2 lambda minus 1 and 2 lambda plus 3. The coordinates of Q. But we do not know the value of lambda. So for that we are going to, for extraction of the value, or for finding the value, for finding the value, for finding the value of lambda, we are going to take section formula. We are going to implement. We are going to implement section formula. Section formula. Okay. So what is the section formula? We can, sorry, not section formula, or distance formula. Distance formula. Distance formula. So distance equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 का square. Okay. So in this, x2 and x1 are given, like, okay, then we are going to uh, put the point P is x1, y1 and z1, and the coordinates of Q is x2, y2 and z2. So putting the value of x2, like x2 is the point 3 lambda, sorry, 3 lambda minus 2, 3 lambda minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 2 lambda minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 whole square plus z2 is 2 lambda plus 3 minus 3 whole square, and the value of t is given 3 root 2. So we are going to solve these equations. So this will give out 3 lambda minus 3, okay, whole square. This will give 2 lambda minus 3 whole square, and this will give out 2 lambda whole square. Okay. On squaring both side, squaring both side and solving the equations, like 9 into 4 36 equals to 3 lambda minus 3 whole square plus 2 lambda minus 3 whole square plus 2 lambda whole square. This will give out 36. Then what will be the equation, like 9 lambda square, then 9 minus 3 3 3 3 9 9 to 18 lambda plus 4 lambda square plus 9 minus 3 to 6, 3 to the 6 and to 12 lambda plus 4 lambda square. Now we are going to put the values, like 36 equals to 9 lambda square, 4 lambda 4, then 17 lambda square, then minus 18 and 12 minus 30 lambda. Okay, then this value will be the 18, not 36, because 3 3s are 9 to 18. Okay, 30 lambda and plus 18. So 18 will cancel out with the 18. So 17 lambda square minus 30 lambda equals to 0. This will give out lambda 70 lambda minus 30 equals to 0. This will give out lambda equals to 0 and lambda equals to 30 upon 17. This will be the value of lambda. Okay, so putting the values of lambda in the question like point q. So the coordinates of the point q, coordinates of point q is 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 after putting the value of lambda, putting the value of lambda is minus 2, minus 1 and 3 and 56 upon 17, 43 upon 17 and 117 upon 17. So this will be the values. Okay, so by using this, just we are going to do this by steps. We can say that the step first is this, step first is this, step second is this, step second is this, and step third is this, step third is this. So by choosing three steps, we just find the point on a line with the help of a given distance. Now we will move to the topic third, and that is C, finding angle between the line, angle between the line, between the line. So we can say that just all I thought that all of you are aware about the dot product of two vectors. So what we studied in that dot product is a dot b equals to mod of a vector and mod of b vector and then cos theta. So by using this phenomenon, we can say that cos theta equals to vector A, vector B upon mod of vector A, mod of vector B. So by using this formula, we just find out the equation, just angle between the lines. Okay. So how we can find that? So just we will do that with the help of lines. Okay. So bus so just are going to discuss the question number 3 on that. Question number 3 on that. So the question is find the angle between, find the angle between the lines, between the lines r equals to 3i plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda I 2j plus 2k, and r equals to 5j. Okay, so this question is given. Okay, find the angle between the lines r mu. Okay, so this is the question which we are going to discuss to find out the angle between the lines. Okay, so in this, like 2 and 6k, last, in the last. Okay, plus 6k. Now, uh, this is the concept of line. The given concept is about the vector. So, what is the concept between the lines? So, we are going to find how we are going to find the these vectors. Okay, basically from the line. So, we can say that these vectors are this. Okay, this. So, we are going to take the help of these vectors and then put on that formula, like cos theta equals to I plus 2z plus 2k dot 3i plus 2z plus 6k upon mod of I plus 2z plus 2k upon mod of 3i plus 2z plus 6k. So on doing the dot product of this, so this will give out 3 plus 4 plus 12 upon this will gives out 2 to the 4, 1 under root 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Okay, this will give out 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square. So what is that? So 3 4 7 12 90 upon this will give out 2 to the 4 4 8 1 9 root 9, and this will give out 9 plus 4 plus 36, that will be the 49. Okay, 19. Okay, this will give out 3 into 7, 19 upon 21. So cos theta equals to 19 upon 29. If we are going to find the theta, then that will be the answer of cos inverse 19 upon 21. Okay, this is the required answer. If you do not know the value of 19 upon 21, then this answer is also permitted, as well as if you know the value of cos inverse 19 upon 21, then that will also be a good answer. Okay, so that's it today. So today we discussed about the three topics. Okay, and just subscribe and like the videos and give suggestions, and also the topic on which should you wanted that the sir will discuss about that things. Okay, thank you, and thank you so much for giving us such inspiration things to me. Okay, that's nice. Okay, then bye.